Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the little blue guy. Due to he had a rear caliper problem where even when the caliper arm was moved, it was not activating the brakes at all. We may switch out the rear tire. We're going to build some new fenders on it. And yeah, get her back to ripping. It did end up getting a brake lever for a throttle, but yeah, the snowmobile powered guy is still ripping. We're just gonna start by chopping the fenders off, just snipping some zip ties for now, and we do not have the materials to build that yet. We're gonna have to go get some. Okay, now we are going to be putting rear brakes on the bike. As you can see, we went to Princess Auto, bought a brand new Drift Hero parts kit for $20. Princess Auto is the Canadian version of Harbor Freight. You will need a 10mm socket to do so. First, take our caliper. All said brake cable. One end will have a knob, one end doesn't. The end with the knob is going on the handlebars. The other end goes towards the brake caliper. Now we're just going to put this on the brake lever. I forgot that you kind of have to do that before you put the cable on, that we can attach it at one end. Kind of know the lengths a little better. And it needs an 8mm to tighten it up. And now that that's done, all we have to do is route the brake line and get it tied up. And the brakes are done. We just got to go out and build fenders. So we just ran out to Rona, grabbed a bucket. We're going to try and cut up a bucket and make fenders for this thing, just because the the bucket was $5. So get some fenders on this thing, and then hopefully we can stop having problems like just mud caked all over the motor and stuff. The front's not so bad because we did have something hanging there, but yeah, we're just gonna cut it on that line and cut it on that line. Did I just record your part? Okay guys, you just got the rear fender all finished up out of a bucket. As you can see, just one bucket. Yeah, should be nice and easy to just hose off under there, get it all nice and clean. Well, guys, that's all for the little blue guy. Thank you for watching. The next video we will be making will be the putting a headlight on it, so we can have some good night rides. Again, thanks for watching. Have a good one.